Welcome to the new Kids Corner.
Hi friends, let's learn about the letter B. B is the second letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant. Here is a letter B in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase B. Start with the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and go around to the middle. Next go around to the bottom. Now you try. Here is a letter B in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase b. Start with the top and make a line down. Now go to the middle and all the way around. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter B? B is for baby. B is for bag. B is for ball. B is for balloon. B is for banana. B is for bank. B is for barber. B is for basket. B is for bat. B is for bat. B is for beach. B is for bear. B is for bed. B is for bee. B is for beetroot. B is for bell. B is for bench. B is for bicycle. B is for bird. B is for biscuit. B is for black. B is for blue. B is for boat. B is for bone. B is for book. B is for bottle. B is for box. B is for brain. B is for bread. B is for breadfruit. B is for brinjal. B is for brown. B is for brush. B is for bug. B is for bulb. B is for bulldozer. B is for bun. B is for bus. B is for butcher. B is for butterfly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your Venu.